Hey everyone, Randi here. Quick little life update. It is September 15th, 2021. I am still working myself to the point of exhaustion as much as possible, still packing things, still in the same space for now. Some things happen, so I'm going to be here until the end of the month at least, which really isn't that terribly far away now, which is kind of scary. I've been applying everywhere. Nobody is. Big rental companies here just keep eating my application fees, and even when I call them to follow up, they can't be bothered to return my call, so I'm assuming I didn't get any of the places I've applied for and wasted money to apply for recently. So I'm not quite sure what's going on that front. I'm still looking for an apartment. I'm not having a whole hell of a lot of luck. I am also talking with a real estate agent and lending institutions to see if maybe now that I am working, I could potentially maybe get a loan for a house. It doesn't have to be a big, fancy, expensive house, but I mean, the mortgage on a place that's like a 2-bedroom, 1-bath house is going to be exorbitantly less than cost of an apartment out here, which average price for a 2-bedroom apartment in Washington right now, not including any of the utilities, is about $1,400 a month. Isn't that wonderful? So yeah, I'm still chugging along, doing everything I can. I'm just trying not to lose hope, but it's getting really kind of hopeless at this point. So yeah, there isn't really much to it. I want to keep this kind of short so I can upload it quick. I've got to go get on the road for work here shortly. And I'm really hoping that I get another appointment to fill up my afternoon, and if not, then I'm going to come back and just be cleaning and sorting more things. I've reached the joyful point of packing where I look at things and go, I haven't touched that in a really long time. I know that it's not something I can donate or sell, so hey, guess what? It's going in the trash. I'm over it. I just want to set things on fire and not have to deal with it anymore. So yeah, I guess that's really pretty much it. So thank you everybody for watching. I hope you're all doing well. Check out my shop. I've got a whole stack of bags that are halfway sewn that I'm going to be finishing up this week, that I'm going to be posting. I also have a few sublimation things I need to finish up this week so I can put them in as well. I'll probably do a short video that has them in it so I can show you what exactly it is and the details on how to get them, because I bought a whole bunch of really big tote bags. I can actually grab one here. This is my test tote bag, so yeah, it's covered in like everything and all of the different random prints on it, but this is a huge tote. It's one of those water-resistant box bottom beach tote style bags. It's got a little pocket here in the front. They're pretty huge, so what I want to do is I want to press an image onto here and charge accordingly. And I think I'm going to have maybe 3 or 4 different designs people can pick out, and I'll put a certain quantity there because I think I ended up with, I can't remember if it was 25 bags or if I got 50 bags. It was super duper cheap and I couldn't pass up the price. That's all I know right now. I would have to check. But yeah, so be on the lookout for those. Be on the lookout for another video in the next couple of days about that, because once my 2 appointments for today are done, if I don't get another one, I'm going to come home and clean a bit and probably press a few of those just so I have them ready to go. And yeah, so I know I kind of already said it, but here we are and it's almost 5 minutes and I want this to be able to upload quick, so I will leave it there. Thank you everybody for the continued thoughts and prayers and good energy. Lord knows I need it. I'm still doing my best to keep moving forward, and hopefully things are going to turn out well. Thank you so much, everybody. Take care of yourselves and each other, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.